I'm drowning my pain with a bottle and Mary Jane. No matter what I take, I feel the same. I've been bound by these shackles and chains. A man of convictions, damn, these addictions just can't be tamed. So lately I'm drowning my pain with a bottle and Mary Jane. Coming down the back road, a cloud of foul smoke rolling out my window. Even though I'm damaged, I'm still standing on all 10 toes. I'm lost when I should go from here. I don't know, eyes glossed, but the pain on my face I won't show. A prisoner inside my mind, I can't get out of here. I don't know why I ignore the signs when they're so loud and clear. Lately I'm drowning my pain with a bottle and Mary Jane. No matter what I take, I feel the same. I've been bound by these shackles and chains. A man of convictions, damn, these addictions just can't be tamed. So lately I'm drowning my pain with the bottle and Mary Jane. No one else to turn to, I burn through another bag of pine. Courage is a virtue, refers to this life of mine. I could drink and feel the liquor and I'd feel like I'm fine. I know even then I'd never be satisfied. I cannot pay the bills, pop a couple pills and just get by. I wouldn't change the pain I feel to see tears spill out my daughter's eyes. So I'll pop the top on this bottle and pour it out all night. When I'm wrong, it's the only time I feel right. Lately I'm drowning my pain with the bottle and Mary Jane. No matter what I take, I feel the same. I've been bound by these shackles and chains. I'm in a convictions, damn, these addictions just can't be tamed. So lately I'm drowning my pain with a bottle and Mary Jane. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, this is Mr. Catios. If you don't mind, would you hit the subscribe button? Would you give me a thumbs up, share this video, and would you please hit that notification bell? I have 2 more videos in this series coming out, and they'll be about the old style of manufacturing compared to what we do today. I have interviews with these people that lived it back in America, was producing stuff that had quality over quantity, and the fair discussion of why that's better and less polluting than what we have today. I want to thank you for your time. This is Mr. Catios. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, stay tuned, hit the notification bell for another one. Thank you.